Hi, in this video I'll show you how to split test your path inside of Klaviyo. So first of all, let's go to Klaviyo. So let's create a flow, start from scratch, test. And why it's important, because let's say if you want to create delay, so let's do matrix, let's do place order, for example. Done. So now let's say you want to split test when to send that email, like 15 minutes later or 1 hour later, and see what kind of results you have. I have another video called how to A/B test your emails, and there's a whole strategy how to do the split test the proper way. So anyway, so you have a trigger, somebody place order, and let's assume we want to split time delays. So conditional split, trigger split. So we do conditional split here, and what we do random sample, and if you want to do split test 50-50, you do 50-50, but if you want to do other split tests, of course, you need to strategize it, and I'll explain you what do I mean.
Hey, if you're a small business owner and you'd like to receive $1,000 of no strings attached grant money, this is a video for you to watch. But first, hey, I'm Doon. I'm the founder and the host of Female Startup Club, a popular podcast show all about entrepreneurship, where I interview some of the world's most exciting and successful female entrepreneurs to learn about how they built their business, what their tactical tips are, and any insights they can give us. Here's how to enter if you're interested in the cash giveaway. Go to flowium.com/giveaway and follow the prompts to enter. And my tip to you is to make sure you refer as many entrepreneurs in your network as you have. Good luck.
So let's do time delay. So let's do here 1 hour, and let's do here 15 minutes. Okay, so this is that. So this is split test. You're testing 1 hour versus 15 minutes. Same thing with the email. You can do 2 separate paths in Klaviyo. If you want to split something in one email, it's easier to do. You can just create, let me just show it to you. So save, let's do this. Okay, save. So if you want to split test simple one email, you just add variation. So you don't need this conditional split here. You can simply split that email. However, if you want to split test 2 separate sequences, flows of email, you should use conditional split. For example, maybe in this sequence, you want to do timing like every, 15 minutes, you want to send an email versus every day you want to send the email. Okay, so this is split test in A/B. So this is A version, this is B version. If you want to create another, let's say you want to test 3 versions, what you can do is to add conditional split here. This is what you do. You divide it 33%, correct? It would not be as perfect, but so it's random 33%, and here you will be doing random sample, and here you will have 50-50. So basically 33% will go, it's part of, yes, so it will go here, 33, then 77 will go here, and 77% will be divided in half. Maybe I confuse you, but basically this is, if you want to split more than 2, this is how you should do it. In case you have any additional questions about this video or any Klaviyo related questions, please subscribe. Also share this video with other e-commerce business owners, other marketeers. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and like or dislike this video if you find this helpful or not helpful. Thank you.